What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is pop.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Do you like your city?
Yes, I like my city.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year.
Do you like to read newspapers?
Yes, I like to read newspapers.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Stars.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you like to paint?
Yes, I like to paint.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
What time do you go to work?
I go to work at 9 a.m.
Do you like to garden?
Yes, I like to garden.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach.
What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is pop.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, I like the mountains.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 6 p.m.
Do you like to hike?
Yes, I like to hike.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is tea.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like to travel by plane.
What is your favorite time of day?
My favorite time of day is the evening.
Do you like to read magazines?
Yes, I like to read magazines.
What is your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite outdoor activity is running.
Do you like to go to the cinema?
Yes, I like to go to the cinema.
What is your favorite indoor activity?
My favorite indoor activity is reading.
Do you like to eat out?
Yes, I like to eat out.
What is your favorite type of movie?
My favorite type of movie is comedy.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like to go to the park.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the beach.
Do you like to play sports?
Yes, I like to play sports.
What is your favorite season of the year?
My favorite season of the year is spring.
Do you like to go to museums?
Yes, I like to go to museums.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I like to go shopping.
What is your favorite type of food?
My favorite type of food is Italian.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I like to go to concerts.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is a dog.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I like to take photos.
What is your favorite subject to study?
My favorite subject to study is history.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I like to sing.
What is your favorite website?
My favorite website is youtube.com.
Do you like to learn new languages?
Yes, I like to learn new languages.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I like to bake.
What is your favorite TV channel?
My favorite TV channel is Channel 1.